Yo, I'd like guys to stay with you. I'm playing Foltyn'S game, okay. I need to actually do this ammunition subject W. Let me guys just let's try real quick. Alright guys, so I got 3 stuff right now. Which is good. Alright guys, I'm gonna open this 600 block. Come on! Alright guys, I dropped 8 celestial, or I died with it. So it dropped here and I'm gonna go and get it right now, guys. My voice still sounds good. Oh, it's still there. Oh, I was about to say, bro. Oh, and he got up straight to W. I was about to say, bro. Seriously, I was about to say. Like, ain't no way. Okay. I got it. Alright, aura, please. I don't know what the best thing to get out of here is. That ain't the best, but that's not the worst. Alright, guys, I've got 1 each way right now. Lucky block. Let's go back to base. Let's go back to the save zone real quick. Guys, if you do enjoy these videos, smash like and subscribe because it really helps me a lot. I'm so close to 300 subscribers, it's insane. I can't do it without you guys. So come on. Right, start this 6 lucky block, and now we're gonna go up to alien and the Foltyn block. Come on. I keep getting noob 6-7, why? Alien, let's go. Let's open the alien one. Are you okay, this what? What's the best one I can get out of here? Got guard 51. What? Okay. Now Foltyn lucky block. I don't know what the best one you get out of here is. Don't say it, guys. Don't say it, please. Don't. But everyone else has got a 10 mil base, and I can't get it for some reason. How do I get it, guys? Index. Shop. How do I get it? This is. Yes, sir. Has gone down. That's what it was. Alright, W. I am rebirthing. Okay, that's fine. Rebirth? Speed 50. Oh, I see. Okay. I can just keep doing this. Oh, that's the carry. Never mind. Sorry, my bad. Alright, I can rebirth again. Let's go. And then do this. I need to get money. Second story, W. Alright, let's get this real quick. La la la. Alright, W. I didn't even see how much I needed. I needed 75. Alright, W. You don't have me to rebirth. Well, I know that for a fact. I haven't got 3 stories yet. That's fine. Let's get more money and rebirth again. Guys, it's literally so easy. WMB is not going on. WMB is we've got a new base. I've got the girl version. Probably that much. I need 100. Keep getting stuck. I can't stop. Keep getting 1. I'm just grinding on rebirths right now. Oh, nearly. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I really am a lot. My voice. Alright. How much do I need? 125. Okay, it's a bit much now. But it's still doable. Yeah, see. Rebirth. 150. Made a bit more money, didn't it? Bit more money. Alright, let's go. And we'll do this bit in a minute, don't worry, guys. Get to 150. Alright, there we go. Rebirth. Well, great idea, Foltyn. Wait, what? Each rebirth makes your money faster. just like still playing bot. Okay, I get it now. I get it. Do this. I need more. How much am I doing? I'm just 75. I'm close though. Pardon me. I just said. Oh, come on! This way gets hard, guys. Oh my god, one more. Literally one more. I need more than that. Okay. Give me 1 second. Right, there we go. And now we can rebirth. Voila. 200. I am at 3 stories now. W. I'm going to rebirth a bit more. So you guys get the idea. But that guy has got lots of strawberry fence. I ain't got enough Robux, sadly. Alright. Boy, this is insane. I've got 2. W. Everyone in 10 mil best. I've really got it, bruv. I've really got it. I've really got it. Let's get more money. So we are stats. So we're stats on money. Come on. Summon my server. Login. Alright. Oh my god, I'm literally so close. I'm gonna wait. Wait, I've got this. How do I place it? Right, just place it in my base. Like what? Place it in my base. Now let's see. I don't know. We need to get to 200, we're so close. I've got W 10 trillion. And now we are at. Oh my god. Still ain't got enough money, but this way it gets difficult, guys. This way it gets difficult. As a viner spawned? No way. Right, let's go real quick. Fine, please. Please be a strawberry fan. Oh my god. No, that guy's gonna get. What is it? I can't even tell. It was strawberry fan. I'm not even gonna. It's not even worth getting. I don't actually seen it. It's right there. What is it? No. No. Ain't no way, bro. I'm just gonna wait Celestial area. I got enough speed to rebirth. People keep stealing my Brainrots, man. I'm also greedy. I'll get this grabber. Look at that. I'm gonna get this grabber real quick. Let's do it. It's whatever. It's this. Wow. I just left there. Bro, this guy's so greedy. What is it? Oh my god. Go. I got it. I just want 3 secret lucky blocks. W Foltyn. Go. I don't care about 6 7 lucky blocks. I'm just grinding rebirthing right now. No. Okay, we're still good. Alright, that's a W right there. Cookie. Well, I just get my speed. I've got 183, so I ain't got enough, bro. This is definitely the last one. Last rebirth, 100%. Alright, guys, I've got like 3 celestial lucky blocks. Get out of it. Let's go dual 3. Come on. Yeah, I've got these are the same things. Alright. Then Foltyn lucky block. Come on, bro. Let's get this rebirth done. Ah, always drinking cannoli. I need that. I need that, man. I still can't believe I still ain't got enough, bro. Bro, ain't no way. Ain't no way right now. And I'm gonna grind my speed. W. W, W, W. Bro, here are new beanies. Hope you guys like them. W. Alright guys, let's my Brainrots to make me money. There's so much I've got now. Oh yes. Yes. Wait a minute. I don't need that much. But I still can't believe I still ain't got enough. For 192. I might skip this rebirth, man. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, we only got 3 stories, 2 spots upstairs. Like, I might just skip it, I'm not gonna lie. So many new beanies and Tim cheeses. Okay. But where's this full army? Indian base. Like, what other bases are there? So we have got... No, Temil. Relative, VIP, admin, yin yang, zombie, normal. Alright. That'll be a mid-miss. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be this video. I'll see you guys again in this one about. Peace.